What's up everybody, Ali Flores again here with another video for Orlando Vacation. Alright, so you only have 2 days in Orlando, Florida. With so much to do here, what would be your priorities? What we suggest is to sample the 2 biggest theme parks here in a strategic way to get the most packed into those 2 days. Before we get to those 2 days, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can find out when these videos pop up. Alright, day 1. Try to arrive early in the day or the night before. Several hotels have check-in at 3 p.m., so coming in later part of the day before is ideal. But if you only have literally 2 days, then pick a destination that has an early check-in. Vacation homes might be a good option for this. Always check before you book about when you can check in. For the sake of this guide, we're going to assume you got in the night before and are well rested. Set that alarm for early to head to the first park on your list, Magic Kingdom. Disney World Resort has 4 main theme parks. Now, if this is your first time in Orlando, we suggest heading to the Magic Kingdom. It is the park you think of when Orlando comes to mind with the castle and fireworks. Magic Kingdom also has a large list of rides from very kid-friendly to thrills like Space Mountain, Tron's Light Cycle. If there are specific rides that are a priority like Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, we suggest getting Lightning Lane reservations if you will be there during peak season since you have such a limited time. For more in-depth on Genie Plus and Lightning Lane, see our other videos. Start your day with a coffee and head to the nostalgic rides and attractions. It's a Small World, Peter Pan, Pirates of the Caribbean, Tiki Tiki Room, a whole bunch of them. Have lunch at Casey's Corners and a snack of Dole Whip. While walking through the lands, make sure to grab some popcorn too. There is something about that theme park popcorn, it's so good. Before 3 p.m., find a comfy spot on either Main Street or in the Frontierland to catch the parade. We're assuming this is your first time ever being in Magic Kingdom, so take it all in. Take everything in that it has to offer. While waiting for the parade, stack up some Lightning Lanes and slip in one to meet the big cheese himself, Mickey Mouse. After the parade, head to those thrill rides. Aside from Tron and Mine Train is Space Mountain and Big Thunder Mountain. Take a break from the sun and the PhilharMagic and watch the castle show before you grab dinner. Get a reservation for Be Our Guest because there is nothing more Magic Kingdom than eating in a magical kingdom. Now, refuel on coffee and get ready for the fireworks as you watch Happily Ever After. This fan favorite utilizes fireworks, Disney music staples, laser, projection mapping, and pyrotechnics to tell a story of magic. Now, to catch a good look of Tinkerbell flying, you have to be facing the castle during the show. Now, get your sleep for day number 2 at Universal Studios Islands of Adventure. Day 2 will start early as well. Head to Islands of Adventure to enjoy a true adventure. First, we will start at Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure in the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. If this is during peak season, make sure you purchase an express pass to help with the lines. However, Hagrid's is not included with the line wait, so get there as early as possible. After Hagrid's, head to Jurassic Park to experience the craziest coaster in Orlando, VelociCoaster. This ride is also not included with Express as it is relatively new, but that could change. After that adrenaline rush, you can relax and grab a snack. Maybe a butterbeer. It can be found in several forms: cold, hot, fudge, and ice cream. Take a walk through the different lands and enjoy the theming and the atmosphere. Escape the heat at Poseidon's Fury or ride Skull Island, Reign of Kong. A very popular land with fun rides and characters is the Marvel Superhero Island. Here you can ride the Amazing Spider-Man Adventure, Incredible Hulk Coaster, Doctor Doom's Fall, and Storm Force Acceleration. You can grab lunch at the 3 Broomsticks, and if there are a lot of you, get the Great Feast. You'll thank me later. Spend the rest of your afternoon having fun with the funny characters of Seuss before heading to City Walk for dinner. Here you can catch the game at NBC Sports Grill or dive into decadence at Toothsome. Before you leave to pass out in your nearby hotel, hopefully booked through Orlando Vacation, stop by the Universal Studios store to grab any souvenirs. You can create packages with all the main parks in Central Florida through us at Orlando Vacation. So give us a call at 1-800-641-4008 and we will help you start planning. And remember, for more tips and tricks, or if you just need help planning, visit us at orlandovacation.com where we have deals and blogs to help you plan your next Orlando vacation. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.